Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Golden Trio. So in today's video, we are gonna make a raw mango okacham slices. So this is a Goan recipe. How Goan people do a raw mango means how they eat it, like putting salt and everything. So for this recipe, it's a very short and sweet recipe. You can have it for your lunch or whenever you want. So you need to cut the raw mangoes in slices, okay, like this. You need to cut them in slices. Then you need chilies also, and you need salt. If you want, you can put lemon, but I prefer not putting lemon because it will be too salty or sour, because we are putting salt also, and first only this is too sour. Okay, so after you're done, you have to just cut them in slices. So if you like this kind of recipes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So once we are done cutting, like strips, like we have to cut them like french fry. And here we are taking some chilies. So here my mother is doing the recipe because I'm shooting the video. So you need 2 3 chilies. If you want your spice level is more, then you can use more chilies. Here I'm using only 3 chilies. Okay, so you need to wash the chilies and then directly add them. And now add little salt, how much you want. Don't add too much, but add little, a pinch of salt, and add the chilies in it. Okay, and give it a, just shake it for some time, like shake it for 5 seconds, and your nice and tasty kacham is ready. It is spicy also, it is salty also, it is very good. It is like very good in summers, very refreshing. Here I'm tasting it and it's really very